Well, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and from the passenger side here while the vehicle's off, you find your dipstick here, which you pull all the way out. And then I would wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel. And then once you've done that, stick it all the way back in. And then pull it right back out. And at that point, we'll check the end here. You've got kind of this little grid patterns here with these dots. The dot towards the left is full, and then as you get closer to the right, you're getting closer to empty and you're low. So typically you want it pretty close, if not on that dot on the left. Sorry, it's kind of bouncing. All right, I'll stick this back in. Let's say it was low. At this point, while the vehicle's still off, this is where you would add your oil. Double check you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic conventional brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, you'll just unscrew this with a funnel or straight from your quart jug. Just fill as needed, and try not to overfill if you can help it as well. When you're done with that, screw this back in nice and tight, and then I would turn the vehicle on so that new oil can circulate through the motor, probably like 5 seconds or so, and then turn it off. And then at that point, I would repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick of pulling it, wiping it clean, and sticking it back in, and then checking if we're full now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in lieu of your regular oil changes, which typically with the vehicle you do with putting it on a site lift, so you can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil, replace any filters as needed, and then pull that plug back in nice and tight. And then from there, up here is where you'd add all the recommended oil for your motor for an oil change. Screw that back in nice and tight again, start the motor to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then double check that dipstick again to make sure you're full. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.